Hello everyone. Today, let's have a look at the organized and unorganized sectors. Let's begin with organized sector. Organized sector includes those offices or enterprises or places of work where the term of employment is regular and therefore people have assured work. It means that people working in organized sector are paid for the entire year. Also, they cannot be fired from the office without any prior notice or without a genuine reason. So, workers in the organized sector enjoy security of employment. Such institutions in organized sector are registered by the government and have to follow its rules and regulations, which are given in various laws such as Minimum Wages Act, etc. Organized sector also ensures fixed number of hours to work in office. This way, the rights of the workers are safeguarded in the organized sector. Workers of the organized sector also get several other benefits from such employment. For example, paid leaves, payment during holidays, provident fund, gratuity, etc. Not only this, people employed in organized sector tend to get medical benefits as under the law. Besides, the factory or office management has to ensure facilities like clean drinking water and a safe working environment. Now, let's compare it with the unorganized sector. The unorganized sector is characterized by small and scattered units which are largely outside the control of the government. This sector includes a large number of people who are employed on their own, doing small jobs such as selling on the street or doing repair work. There are rules and regulations, but they are not followed in the unorganized sector. Jobs are low paid and often not regular. So, in unorganized sector, people are often not paid for 12 months of the year. Sometimes, we may observe that employment is not secure. People can be asked to leave without any reason and without any prior notice. Also, there is no provision for overtime, paid leaves, holidays, leave due to sickness, etc. We may also observe that some people end up working for more than 10 to 12 hours a day. This way, a lot of things depend on the whims of the employers in the unorganized sector. Another issue with the unorganized sector is that it may not guarantee a clean infrastructure and safe working conditions for its workers or employees. So this was all about organized sector and unorganized sector. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more such academic videos.